बताएं. I know you are a Hindi translator, a very good teacher. You teach in a international school in Mumbai region, and you are very passionate about promoting Hindi. And I understand that you have been doing extremely good in training students, and giving more sanskar to them. So could you like to share something?
Thank you so much, sir, and festive greetings to everybody. And I would, first of all, would like to appreciate Miss Uma for the passion she has and the new languages she is learning, and also she's planning to work for other 11 languages. I hope Marathi is there in that.
Definitely, ma'am.
Marathi is there?
Yes.
Okay, so
11 languages are there. All the 4 South Indian languages. Apart from that, it's Marathi, Bengali, Gujarati, and Hindi, Oriya, Bengali, and Assami.
All right. So I don't mind requesting my name for Marathi.
Ma'am, I'll be so happy. I'm so thrilled. Actually, I was about to ask you.
Thank you so much.
That'll be nice, ma'am. It will be a great learning for me also.
Thank you. And I have a very strong teaching background. Rather, that's the only background I have. I'm not I'm not a regular translator, but Ravi sir has trained me in the internship program, and I have started doing some translation work which sir very graciously gives me, and that's how I'm planning to get into this translation and other languages formally. Coming back to the COVID time, sir, there was no time to think because online teaching was on, and you cannot imagine the amount of workload increased during this COVID time. And there were so many trainings we underwent. The best part is, sir, that we got to train ourselves in technology. There were so many workshops organized by the school, and I think I was one of the privileged one where I was selected for all the training programs. So the blended learning, I think that can be a good help to teach foreign languages also. I mean, other Indian languages or foreign languages. So these were the things, and whatever time I got after doing my teaching and other things, my inclination is more towards art. So I did some artwork. But I request each one of you that this pandemic time was a good learning experience. I think now I am more ready for the challenges of life, whether it's my professional or personal. So I think pandemic, as sir said, has done some good to us. So sir, this was a very short.
That is great. Thank you, Kumudini. I mean, आपने जो activities किए हैं is very encouraging, because after some age, people start feeling that अब तो मेरा age हो गया, क्या करना. But I see that बचपन in you, that is very, very encouraging, and we should learn from you how to evolve and learn, even at higher age group,
And sir, you will be happy to know that my contract was getting over in the month of June this year, 21. But the owner of the school called me and he said, no, your performance is very satisfactory and we would like you to continue. So he has renewed my contract for another 5 years.
Wow! So congratulations.
Congrats,
so you heard.
There is no age limit.
Right.
As long as you can perform, you are in job.
Right. So this is the spirit of learning.